Hello, guys. Welcome to another episode with me. So, today I'm going to show you how to use signals. A lot of people ask questions on how can they apply signals that I give to them in our free groups or in paid groups. So, how do you use signals? So, let me show you. Now, please have it in mind that each trader has their own style of uh, post signals for is either a free audience or is paid audience, depending on the style of trading. Okay, so what I'm going to show you now is my style. Although some things they apply to all type of signals. Okay, so follow me now. Here is my um, NSD US dollar chart. Now, there are two ways I give signals in my free groups, even in my paid groups. Either I send a chart like this, something like this. Let me show you something like this, or either I, you know, I just write it in words. Okay, buy this particular coin or take this trade, buy this trade at this point, and your stop loss at this and like that. So you can see. So some I use chart like this. You can see it on your screen. While some I write it out in words. Okay. Now I think the aspect that people usually have issue with is this aspect of charts, and I'm going to show you how to do that. It's very easy and very simple. Okay. Now here's the point. When you see this, it means that buy at the current market price. And what is current market price is this. You can see it. That's 11.87 to 11.9. You can see it right there. So buy at this current price, and then your stop loss will be where this red line stop, which is 11.17. You can see why your first TP, your first take profit will be this line here, 11.65, and your second take profit will be 11, this is 13.34. So it's very easy and very simple. Once you see this, it means that buy at the price that this middle line is. It means at the current market price, why this will be your stop loss, and this will be your first TP, and this will be your last TP, which is your take profit. Okay, so let me give you another example again. Here's another one again. It means what? Buy at the current market price. Your stop loss will be where this red uh, line end, which is 0.0805. While your first TP will be this line, it will be at 0.08253. And the last will be at 0.08326. So it is very easy and very simple. Let me another example again to confirm more for you. Is that one again? You can see it means what? Buy at the current market price. Stop loss at 4.329. Your take profit final stop profit level will be at 4.740. So it is very easy and very simple. I hope it's clear for you guys enough. So let's give you an example of normal one that has to do with words. Let me see if I can get you that. Let's see if you can get that. Something like let me see if I can get that. Okay. I don't have got some coins on that. Okay, the same thing is also I use same well, I'm looking for where I use pure as in word sort of charts, but I'm not seeing any yet. Okay, I'm not seeing any yet. Okay, I think this is another example here. though it's not really the example I'm looking for. You can see stop loss at 5 points. So you can see this one will give you the exact stop loss will be, exact level to be, exact price level. It will write that for you in words like this. Okay. So yes, let's example again. Stop loss, basic customer TP. So this was very simple and very easy to do. Let me see if I can get a better example. There should be better examples I have on this group. I'm not seeing any. I can go to, okay, you know what? Let me go to other groups. Let me show you in our Telegram group. If I can get that. So this is another example now. You can see this now. It is signal. It says what? Buy atom. Now, when you see this and there's no price in the photo, which means that you should buy at the correct market price. Okay, and stop loss. SL means stop loss. This is a stop loss price. Your first TP is this, second, third, and fourth. Now, I have a style I use in our trading. I said that once a signal hits first TP, move your stop loss from your entry to, sorry, move your stop loss to your entry. That is, once the signal I give to you hits the first target, move your stop loss to entry. Move your stop loss to entry price. Let me show you an example now. Let's say you know, you take this trade now, This is our first TP, right? And price come to this first TP. What should you do? You know, originally your stop loss is actually here. Now take your stop loss from here to here in your order book in your trading platform, and why you also can also take a small profit at here at this first TP level, so that in case it reverts back to your entry, at least this trade does not end in vain. You at least pick something out of the market. Okay, though if you are using a small capital, you can like, oh, the gain is too small, I can't take it yet. Hence, trading requires you to have a good capital, so that even a small move in direction is something cool you're okay with for the day. Okay, so very easy and very simple. Now, I try to address is that a lot of people ask me, oh, can I still enter now? After I give me a signal, let's see an hour later. Now, here's the arc. So far, the signal is yet to hit our first target. You can still enter. Or if it's still far from the first target, once it is close to the first target, don't enter again. Or if you enter, put your stop loss at the entry level that the price was when I gave that signal. You cannot use the same stop loss with others again because you entered late already. Okay, so this is how it works. Let me give an example of that now. Let me see if we can get an example. Okay, let's say, you know, this I call this for you, this trade for you. Now for this trade, let's say my first TP is here and price did come down to this level. Now, by the time you come to meet the signal, it's already at this range, at this zone. Now, if you are going to enter this market, because it can still go far, right? Because I gave a far distance, you cannot put your stop loss here again. No, it is too far. You can put your own stop loss here at the entry level where I gave the signal originally from. You know what I'm saying now? So it's very easy and very simple. okay? Or at best, don't enter at all. Wait for a better opportunity. If I'm the one, that I will do. I don't like chasing trades. So don't chase trades. Relax your mind and take your time. Enter only quality trades. Don't be in haste to make money. You will lose money that way. Okay? So I hope it's clear enough. So if you're not clear on anything, you have a lot of questions to ask, you can ask your questions in the comment box and I'm going to reply to you. So see you next time, guys. Thank you.